So I just got out of the shower. I didn't wash my hair because I am going to the Bumble Bumble Salon today to get my hair done. But I wanted to share some goodies with you guys because I'm going to sit down and actually create a makeup look. I don't know what I'm gonna use just yet, but I have a ton of goodies from Too Faced. So I'm gonna sit down and just play with some stuff. Let's do this makeup tutorial. Let's get this face beat. Let's do it. Let me know what you guys think about this lighting because we switched a couple of things on my camera and I don't know how I feel about them. So, I don't know, I feel good about them elsewhere, but I don't know how I feel about them here in my studio. I have the entire like gingerbread collection. And we have the gingerbread extra spicy and the gingerbread spice palette. So I think I'm gonna use one of these palettes. And then I have a ton of their holiday sets. So the Christmas Star holiday set, the Let It Snow Girl holiday set, and then the Christmas Cookie House Party. This is adorable. This one is so cute too. These are so well like put together. Oh, it does. Okay, so they are magnetic, like ever so slightly. So then we have a gingerbread extra spicy. So this one clear, unless I'm like, I was paying more attention to my swatches, this one swatched 10 times better than the gingerbread spice, but I can assure you that they are very much indeed the same. And then we have gingerbread spice. I feel like I have so many shades that look like this one that has like the iridescent orangey pink, but I just never know what to use it for. Anyone else feel like that? All right, then the last two. What do we think? This is the classic gingerbread spice. So not as warm tone. I kind of like the mix of like shades in this one. Definitely love this green. Love the one that I put on my eyes, which is right next to the green. The mattes do not swatch well, but I promise you, like, we did the eyeballs and they like look pretty good. What do you guys think? Which one do we like better? So I got the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown because I haven't used it in a while. They run out so fast. I don't like to buy them. And I like to use what I have, but I really don't have any brow pencils currently that I love. So I got it. I went and got it. I feel like I look green. Do I look green? My little makeup bag. It's pouring out. My trusty old Shape Tape. I'm gonna use the gingerbread spice palette. I'm gonna take gingerbread latte. Oh my god, that was so much darker than I thought it was gonna be. Then I'm gonna take Looky at My Cookie tag. Then the shade Gingerbread, I'm gonna put it right in the crease. I'm actually gonna put it in the inner and outer corners. I hate to do this, but I'm jumping into extra spicy and I'm gonna take the dark shade Midnight Snack, and that's gonna go on the inner and outer corners and into the crease. I could have used Reindeer Paws, but it's not as warm as I want it to be. This makes me want cookies so bad. Now I'm taking Bake It Till You Make It. It's like this pretty pinky color. It's gonna go on my lid. What a boring brown smoky eye this turned into. It's actually kind of cute. The last shade helped it not be that boring. Pop on some mascara. I'm gonna take a little spiked eggnog to the inner corners and the brow bone. I've been using the Ardell Wispies lately, so we're gonna pop those on. While we wait for them to dry, I'm just gonna apply my Glam Glow Glow Starter. Smells so good. And the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I just wanna smooth out my skin. For foundation, I bought the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, but it's just like a tad bit too tan for me right this second. So I've been mixing the IT Cosmetics Fair, just like a dab in it. And I'll just apply with the brush first. I'm actually gonna take just some dark brown and put it up against my lashes. So I waited just a bit too long so the lash is coming off. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit of the glue on my tweezer. Little trick. You just put the glue right where it needs a little help. This chair is so uncomfortable. And I'm gonna wait for the lash to get tacky and then just put it back in the same place. I've been trying out this new product from Tarte. It is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. It comes with a little sponge, like on the other side. I haven't really been using the sponge. And this is just supposed to help brighten in all the areas that you need brightened. And then under the eyes, it looks really pretty. Sponge. Blend it out. See, it's just like illuminating. It's not a concealer. It's in between a concealer and a highlighter maybe. Maybe just a highlighter, I would say. I don't know, what would you guys call it? And then I take my Shape Tape. And I feel like with this, I don't need as much Shape Tape as I would put on. There's my alarm. So of course, I am running late. This is NARS Gina. Brush this through my brows so that they don't look gray. And then I wanted to use the bronzer that comes in this little kit. So this guy, this is the lipstick. I'm feeling nude today on the lipstick. I'll probably put it on like on the train. This is the bronzer. Isn't he cute? He kind of like disappears once you first use him. This brush, what happened? What happened to you? I kind of like this. Spritz my face with the all-nighter. And then I've been trying out the Morphe highlighter. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. This is in the shade Extra. It definitely needs like a setting spray before you apply it. So, but I'm gonna stop here. I'm not gonna apply any of the glosses from the collection or any of the lipsticks because they're just more red than I wanna go. So I have a lip in my bag that I'll apply on the train, but I like it so far. I definitely recommend these palettes. I think one of them is on sale right now. Let's go see what we're gonna wear and then we gotta run to the train. This is my horribly messy MAC drawer. I don't want sore. That's what I want. I want Spice from MAC. And maybe Creme de Nude. And then Gloss. Throw in my jewelry. What are you doing under the whole pile of clothes? Hello! I have no idea what I'm wearing. I have so much stuff just like laying around. I think I want to do one of these lace bodysuits, but I don't know. I don't know. Ugh, everything is a mess. My absolutely messy house, but very cute. And my bag. This one's ready to go. Cute! Alright, now I gotta switch bags. Ah! I feel literally so dirty when my hair's not clean, and that's how I feel right now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh. It looks good. We can leave it like this. I like it. Yeah, I can't even get it all on the camera.
Kind of shows the hair off, you know?
It looks so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
looking for the entrance to the train. It's so fucking cool. Found it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Getting ready to sprint to my train, so that's gonna be fun. Do you think I can make a train in 4 minutes when I'm still on the subway? We'll see. Literally missed the train, so I had to wait until the later home. This is so fun. Home on the phone with Alina, we're trying to figure out the schedule for some workouts in January. And this one. Hello. You want to go outside? Yeah? Come on. Watch, she gets so excited. She runs away. And she's like, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, look at these boxes. Let's go. Let's go. You want to go? Makeup is still on. Like, it looks actually pretty good. It got a little oily, but it's been a couple hours, so it looks good. I actually really like these palettes. Definitely keeping these palettes.